for this question, we have, what is the Lewis structure for the oxygen molecule? Okay. For O2. And the reason why the oxygen molecule is O2 and not just O is because in nature, oxygen likes to bond with itself, and that is just one of the examples of anions typically like to bond with themselves, so nonmetals, to be able to be more stable. Okay, and that's actually what we would refer to as oxygen gas that we actually have floating around us, what plants produce. This right here would be what they're referring to, not just oxygen by itself, but O2. That's why they specifically say oxygen molecule and not oxygen atom. If they said oxygen atom, we would really just be drawing the Lewis structure of a single oxygen atom. So now we're going to do the oxygen molecule. So we actually have each oxygen, because on the 16th column, would contribute 6 electrons. So in total, we're dealing with 12 electrons, okay? And now, let's just draw it out. We have 2 oxygens bonding to each other. That's what we're going to start with. And so far, these oxygens are sharing 1 of its 6 electrons. So it's going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the reason why I drew it like that is because, as you can see, there's 2 unpaired electrons, 1 in each oxygen. So to really balance out, what they're going to do is that you're going to actually send them over here to create another bond in between. So this would actually end up looking like, let me just draw a little bit bigger. Like that. This right here would be our oxygen molecule. And now to check its formal charge, oxygen typically likes to have 2 lone pairs and 2 bonds. And the double bond does count as 1 bond each. So that's how we can actually verify these 2 have a formal charge of 0. They're actually content with this form. They also satisfy the octet rule. And if we actually counted how many electrons we had here, it should equal 12. Each bond does have 2 electrons in it. So that's 4 electrons from the bonds, and then 6, 8, 10, 12. So we have satisfied every situation and position we put ourselves in, and this will be the Lewis structure for O2 molecule. That is what it should look like. And there we have it. There's a double bond there, and it has 2 lone pairs on each oxygen. So this is correct. Now let's move on to question number 6.